Hi everybody, this is Snook, and this month we are opening up the Coloring in Classics for August 2020. This is the second month that I have received this box. I will be honest and say that I opened it once already and recorded the review. And when I went to go edit it, all the footage, there was no sound. What I am going to do is just reopen it again. It did come with a piece of candy. The candy's gone. It was good. So we're just going to leave that at that. It is a box of activities that should last you a month. One of the first things you get is a hardcover book of your choice of genre. This month I ordered the romantic one, and I got How to Find Love in a Bookshop. The one thing is that these are not new release books. They are older books. This one came out in 2016, but doesn't mean they're bad. They're not new release books. The one from last month that I got was from 2017, I think. So just so you're aware of that. But I'm looking forward to reading this, and I like this one because it has pretty big type, which is nice on my eyes. I don't have to squint or anything when I'm trying to read it. So I'm very excited about this. I will say the first box that you do get a pack of colored pencils with it. Subsequent boxes, you do not. Personally, when I got done the original time opening this box, it felt, even though the price is ridiculously good, it felt a little sad that I didn't get another set of 12 colored pencils. So that's my only critique. Next, you do get something, a coloring book or something similar to a coloring book like this, that you can color for the month. This looks really neat, and I cannot wait to start it, and I couldn't start it until I get a video that I can post up. So, like, really. Anyway, this is really neat, and they have all different ones that they make. I've never seen anything like this. Let me get it open for you. Here we go. So you get this whole pull-out coloring thing. Okay, and it goes, there's even a couple more pages here, and it's of London. And then on the back, it tells you, like if you look at the map, where you are, and it walks you through London, which I thought was really neat. I really thought that this was a unique idea. I'm really excited to get started on this and see what I can do and draw. And then the last thing I received in the box was a large print word search. And I love word searches because I didn't have to know how to spell to do a word search. And if you don't know what a word search is, they give you a list of words, and you go through and circle them. You find them and circle them, and then you're done. I was really happy to receive this also. I don't necessarily need large print. I will show you. But I am not complaining either, because I can do this without my glasses on and still see the lettering. And at night you just want to relax, and large print on my eyes is perfectly fine by me. I'm really happy about it. If you were traveling, you could take this along and have something to do. It's not real thick, but it's enough to keep your mind occupied for a little bit while you're watching TV or anything like that. So I really think that this is really cool. Last month there was a Hangman book that came with it. So you do get three things. You end up with a hardcover book that you're going to read in a genre that you pick, and you end up with something to color. Last month I got an actual coloring book, and it had unicorns on it. And then this month I got the word search in large type, and I'm real happy about that too. Like I said, plus you do get, it was a full-size lollipop that came with it this month. But the colored pencils, I like the box. I like what came in it. It just felt like something was missing, and I really came to the conclusion that it was the 12-pack of colored pencils, that it just added that little extra, everything's all in one. So while I would really recommend this, and I can't wait till next month and see what I get next month, I really wish that they would put colored pencils in every box, especially nowadays. I hope you enjoyed opening my surprises with me, and thank you so much for stopping, and I will see you next time.